This test will demonstrate the ability of Nexus Standard MP to detect gold under a stack of magnetic bricks. The first target is a 5-gram gold bar. A ground balance procedure is performed. Now the detector performs smoothly, and the target is placed underneath the magnetic brick. A loud and clear target response can be heard. Success with a more challenging scenario will now be demonstrated by piling several magnetic bricks together. The magnetic content of the bricks are demonstrated by using a magnet. The bricks attracts the magnet.
It sticks there.
A clear target response. The setting is changed to dual-tone audio. The Nexus Standard MP successfully detects the 5-gram gold bar under several magnetic bricks. A demonstration will now be made with a 0.5-gram gold bar. The ground balance is checked. The detector operates smoothly, and the target is placed underneath the bricks. A signal can be heard, approximately 3 inches above the bricks. The gold bar will now be moved to several different locations to test the signal response. The Nexus Standard MP demonstrates success in detecting non-ferrous targets in very high mineral conditions.